how's everybody doing today on this nice rainy day here in Niš? And I'm joined by Asahi, a fellow YouTuber, and we're going to be trying the best burek in town. This place has been in operation for 80 years, and it's raining right now, and there's actually a line outside. This place is really popular amongst the locals, and here in Niš they have got the Burek Festival competition, and this place has won many years in a row. Excited, Asahi?
Oh yeah.
Very excited.
Excited, yes.
And Asahi's YouTube channel is Heroes Asahi.
Yeah. I'm traveling around Europe with bicycle, and then this is my instrument. I am a street musician as well. And then, yeah, I'm posting a video of my traveling. The language is Japanese, but I put English subtitle as well. So if you want, please watch and please subscribe.
Definitely check out Asahi. He's got an awesome channel. Okay. I'm gonna go grab the burek right now.
Oh, yes, okay.
You like spinach burek or
yes,
cheese?
spinach. Only spinach. Yes.
Ichiban spinach.
Ichiban spinach.
Okay, what about meat? You like meat also?
Yeah, I love meat, but I'm not so hungry actually, sorry.
Okay. So we're gonna go into here, wait in the line, and it's gonna be probably a 2-minute line or so. Yeah. 1 cheese and 1 spinach, that's all. And 2 yogurts.
Here?
Yeah, for eating here, yeah. Very nice.
Yeah, typical breakfast in Serbia.
We have got a couple different varieties right now. We've got the spinach burek and then the cheese burek. And so we're gonna try both. And Asahi already ate breakfast, unfortunately, but he's gonna take one for the team, and he's gonna get uno kai pai, which means very full today.
Yeah.
This restaurant has been open for 80 years, and it's a very popular burek place in town. Basically, it's the #1 place in all of Serbia for your burek. Cheese, and then we got the spinach cheese burek, and then I think they also have some varieties like meat and pizza burek and some other bureks too. But today they only had these today, so we're gonna just try them and see what it's like. First of all, we got the yogurt. This is typical. They also have got something called ayran, which is like a yogurt that's salted, but this is just the plain yogurt.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Not sweet, yeah.
not sweet. Plain yogurt, not sweet at all. Some people like to dip this, but a lot of locals don't do that, and that's frowned upon. But maybe today we will dip it. We'll see what Asahi does. What do you do with your yogurt and burek? Do you dip the yogurt?
No, dip. No, just drink like a drink.
Just drink.
Yes.
Okay. It's good. Oishi. Very creamy yogurt. Really.
Yeah.
What do you like? Yogurt in Japan or yogurt here?
Oh, here is the better.
Better. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's try these. We got the spinach burek right here. Check that out. It's got a lot of cheese and a little bit of spinach. I would not call this a healthy meal right here. It's definitely not the healthiest, but it's gonna be good. And then we got the cheese burek. Basically just normal cheese in here, like kind of a local white cheese that they throw in here. Wow.
Oh, this is very tasty.
Very rich in cheese flavor.
Yeah, very rich.
Very rich cheese that they throw in here. And spinach is very fresh, you can taste. It's just fresh out of the oven. You can see that they've got a line here. Every hour, you know, they probably serve like 50 to 100 people. Every minute, they keep it going, you know?
That's why many people in line.
Yeah, it's different than the average burek, but I don't know if I can say it's the best burek I've ever had, but it's a really good one for sure. What do you think? Ichiban for this one?
#1, yeah, maybe. But I tried break so many times in Balkan. It is a good one.
They have got the burek festival. They've got like the most competition for burek. This chain is just a one mom and pop shop that's been serving up burek for 80 years. So it's definitely worth it to come to this one. This one is the most famous. I guess they've won the most awards out of all the burek places around here. What separates this burek from the other bureks in town? What's the flavor here?
I think this is very fresh. This was made at the time.
Yeah, just now.
Just now, yes.
Yeah, they pulled out like 8 bureks out of the oven. Oh, look who's coming. Look who's coming.
This is Balkan. Hello. Balkan, yes. This is Balkan.
Yeah, so sometimes you have a horse coming through. That's how they get around. Those are the Roma people, you know, some of them are doing jobs, some of them doing work, some of them ask for money, you know, you never know when they're gonna come up to you asking for money, but they were actually on their horses doing some work to their donkey. You wanna try the cheese one?
Oh,
Are you too full? I think it's gonna be very nice. So they use a white cheese for this one.
Yes.
And it's a very rich, very kind of a decadent, complex white cheese. Even though it's just called white cheese, it's actually a very nice cheese. Kind of like feta, but with a little bit less saltiness, a little bit more like savoriness. Let's give it a try.
Yes. This is good one. Yeah.
It's very similar to feta, just a little bit less dry.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit more moist and wet. And then you got like less saltiness, less salty
Yeah.
for sure.
And texture is very nice.
Yeah,
It's a crunchy.
yeah, it's crunchy, kind of just melts in your mouth. Which is very fresh. Staple for a Balkans breakfast is a piece of Burek,
Yeah.
and then of course the yogurt.
Yeah.
Which one do you like better? Do you like the cheese one better or the spinach?
My favorite is spinach.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think I also love the spinach, but there's something about the cheese one that also is really great too about it, like the crunchiness and then the savoriness of the cheese.
They usually have cheese and spinach, but cheese is more simple, I think.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the taste depends on the bakery.
Why are you here in Serbia this next couple weeks?
I came to Serbia to get the vaccine, and I had that information. Foreigner can get vaccine in Serbia, but I couldn't find any information, any current information. So I tried to ask them, and then in the beginning I was declined because the rule was changed. At the moment, foreigner cannot get vaccine with no invitation or something. So many miracles happened. And finally, I was able to get vaccine.
That's great. So you were able to get the vaccine, and you got the Pfizer.
Yeah,
You're on the news a lot here too.
yeah.
They picked up your story, and then that's amazing that you actually got your vaccine. Really nice that Serbia will let foreigners get the vaccine because most countries will just let their own citizens get the vaccine.
Yeah.
What's your favorite food in the Balkans? Hands down, the number one Ichiban food that everyone's got to try when they're here.
Peskavica.
Peskavica.
Peskavica, yes. It's like a big hamburger. Yes. It's a specialty in Serbia. Very tasty.
Yeah, I think so. Like
Yeah.
Peskavica basically is like a very nice sourdough bun. You know, sometimes it's got onions inside, and sometimes they got like some
Yes.
like sour cream
We
or
can
yogurt.
choose it.
Really rich kind of hamburger.
Yeah, yeah.
Serbian hamburger kind of. And this whole city makes good burek, but this one here, on the street, I mean, there's no place I'd rather have it. It's on the street, just chilling out with my friend Asahi. You're gonna get your amplifier fixed too.
Yes, now I'm waiting for
That's great.
yes, amplifier to fix, and then my second vaccination, it's another 20 days, so 3 weeks later. Yeah, I'm waiting here.
That's great. Asahi, have you ever felt in danger when you were riding a bicycle on the road?
Yes, many times. I had so many problems of bicycle, like somewhere broken. But yeah, I can fix everything so far.
That's good.
But most dangerous, most bad experience. One of bad experience is yeah, bicycle was stolen. Yeah, suddenly because I stayed in the hostel at that time, and then there was no space to put in bicycle hostel.
Yeah.
So I had to park outside, and then my luggage all take off.
Yeah.
So it's very easy to take it. But of course, I locked it, and then next morning my bicycle was gone.
Yokonai.
Yokonai,
Very bad.
I looked for my bicycle whole day in city.
Oh wow.
Finally, I found it.
Because it's a very unique bicycle, you know. So you found it, and you're very happy. What city or country was that in?
This is in England, northwest.
Okay.
Northwest, yes.
So they like to steal bicycles in the northwest of England and UK.
Yeah.
That's not very nice.
Anyway, I want to fix amplifier.
Yeah.
So maybe I'm gonna stay here a week
Okay.
or 10 days.
After that, you're going to be going to Kosovo,
Yes.
and then
Montenegro.
Montenegro, and you're going to be biking through the mountains.
Yeah, maybe. If there is a bus, I wanna take it.
Oh yeah, for sure. That's for sure. Definitely take the bus when you're in Montenegro. That is going to be a lot more easy
Yeah.
than to bike around there because it's very mountainous. Asahi, so you go around the Balkans and Europe right now for the past 2 years,
Yes.
and you bring your bass everywhere.
Yes, and the bicycle.
You're a bassist
Yes, I am a bassist. Yeah.
and a musician, professional musician.
Yeah, I wanna be.
You want to be
Yes.
this. But you're also a YouTuber, and
Yes.
you're also a bicyclist,
Yeah.
and a very experienced traveler who's
Yes.
been to 27 countries in all over Europe.
Yeah, yes.
So it's a lot, you know, a lot of places you've been. What's your favorite place so far?
Wow. I love Portugal. Yeah, because during first lockdown I was stuck in south of Portugal because the border of Spain was closed, and then I stayed there around 4 months.
Yeah.
And then one town for 4 months. But I didn't get boring, excited every day. And then I camped at Hippie camp,
Nice.
and then yes, so many funny people. South of Portugal.
That's
Weather
great.
is every day very nice.
And you can actually find his hippie camp video in the description
yeah.
down below. So you can find that after this video is up. What is the thing you miss most when you're here traveling in Europe and you're away from your home in Osaka? What is the number one thing you miss?
Wow. I have a girlfriend. She lives in Japan. So I want to
Go back and visit.
Go back or meet my girlfriends. But it's still difficult situation.
Yeah.
And then yes.
The thing that you're missing the most.
I'm missing the most.
What about for food wise? What's the number
Yeah,
one food you miss the most?
Usually in Japan we can eat udon for it's like $2 or $3, but it's very tasty.
It's very savory, very salty,
Yeah.
very, good texture of noodles. Just really, it just like melts in your mouth kind of. The noodles are just very bouncy
Yeah.
noodles, right? In Japan, I miss the sushi. And I
Yeah.
miss the like ramen with the corn and the butter. You know,
I know.
Sapporo style ramen. That is really good.
Yeah, ramen is very nice. There is some Japanese restaurant here in Europe, but it's quite expensive.
Yeah.
And then taste is not real for me.
Authentic. Yeah, not authentic taste for you. Show us how you travel with a bicycle.
I left some stuff in the house, but my amplifier is on the basket, and I have a backpack. It's not so big, but the backpack is put here, and then side back is both.
And then where does the bass go?
Bass
Yeah, the bass guitar.
always here.
Okay,
Yes.
very nice. When did you buy this bike? In UK?
This is from UK, yes, London. Yeah, and
So you bought it 2 years ago.
yes.
So you biked all over, everywhere you biked, and some
Yeah.
places you took a bus, right?
Bus, yeah.
So
Or
okay.
train, yeah.
That's awesome. This is great what Asahi is doing. Very brave and very adventurous. Have a very safe journey, and I hope to see you again in Tokyo or in Osaka. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Make sure you subscribe to Asahi. He's got some great adventures ahead, and he's going to be making it back to Japan hopefully, and we will probably meet up in Japan or somewhere else in this world.
Hey, look. This
Heroes
is
Asahi.
yeah. This is my channel, and Instagram as well.
Very
YouTube
nice.
or Instagram. Please check and follow me.
Heroes Asahi. He's a very great guy, and he loves beer. He loves adventure. He loves to eat great food.
Yeah.
So yeah, we pretty much have everything in common. He's a bassist and I'm a drummer, so we are going to be jamming sometime for sure.
Yes, okay.
We'll make some music sometime, and I'll see you next time.
See you. Thank you
later.
so much. Thanks for watching.
Bye, Asahi. Hello friends, I'm going to be showing you guys where locals go here in Belgrade. The place's name is Walter, and as we can see we got the train coming through this location. Every like 10 minutes you get the train coming through. It's a really great atmosphere, and this location is right at the heart of downtown. It's not far away at all. Great place to go to if you're on a tight budget, but also if you just want the authentic experience of eating where the locals eat.